What if you decide to prioritize purpose over profit, passion, is? Good afternoon. I am Redskin Pilina. Taking a toll on being a good consumer. It's a big step because it would need a consumer to stop that do not good for our environment. We live in a world where being in trend in an utmost priority to be called as chasing trends, driven by passion. Every fashion brands bring new clothes every season. However, some of these clothes harmful from the environment. We know that fast fashion is the leading fashion trend nowadays, with new on platform being produced and released every month and a year. It becomes a threat to the environment, leading the fast fashion the biggest polluters in the world, and this according to the website Center for Biological Diversity. How can we be mindful of the choice we make consumers? Sustainable fashion is the answer. It encourages consumers to buy less and only buy clothes that are needed, not because you want it. It's more suggestible to buy clothes that contain organic cotton, recycled materials, and artists who are paid fairly rather than those artists whose arts are being stealed by other platforms. Your clothes can be story for some wearing sustainable clothes. It's not only a trend, but it's a big responsibility as human living. Posing or not buying clothes is a big help to our environment. By that, we reduce consumption of fast fashion. Today, and my group mates are arguing to go for sustainable fashion rather than fast fashion. Remember that every choice you make counts for the future. Choice to trip, rewear, or shoe clothing rather than being one of the polluters in our environment. Choose to buy clothes that are not simply trendy but can last long and better learn the purpose over priority. Thank you.